Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I want to do a quick unboxing and a initial feel and review of the Shossi Nose Hair Trimmer C1. This Shossi product is actually I believe a co-brand with Xiaomi, and I got this online for I think under $4 or $5. It's something that I needed. So let's see, I just got this like a couple of hours ago, and it comes with this small box. um, so it says it's washable, it's got a hair trimmer, it's using batteries, and it's a standalone unit. There's no special requirements for any link to any smartphones or anything. So let's have a look and see. Now, of course, there are a lot of other cheaper non-brands or OEM hair trimmers, nose hair trimmers in the market, which I don't think is so much more cheaper than this. This is about like $4 to $5 on discount. The unit itself looks really nice actually. It's got a very nice design, silver and black. So it's not very long. I say like maybe this is what 10 centimeters long, probably weighs about like 50 grams. And let's see, so it looks like there's a cover behind. This should be for the battery. I'm not sure what battery it uses yet. Let's see, this is the cover of the nose hair trimmer. And right, so this is the connection to the motor inside. So what else does it come with? It comes with a cleaning brush. Let's see what this does. It's a small fine brush. So I think like after you trim your nose hair, you either wash it and then you can like sort of like just brush it or something like that. So this could be useful. And then it comes with a, looks like a AAA battery. This is not rechargeable, so I suppose if you want to use a rechargeable one, you just find a rechargeable cell. Wonder what else is in there. Okay, so there is a quick start guide. Let's see. It's all in Chinese, right? But it should be quite intuitive. Don't really need a manual, I think. So let's see. Okay, let me just arrange this properly. Okay, so first things first, let's put in the battery. I would suspect that everything is positive in, and mainly because there's a spring behind, so it has to be positive in. So let's screw it up like this. Okay, there we go. There's an indicator. Yeah, it's done. That's a on-off button. Let's see. Okay, so it starts up, and there should be a rotating blade inside. And when you put this around your nose hair actually gets trapped into one of these small crevices, and it gets trimmed. Might need to do it a few times though. I'll go try this later. It's a small unit and it actually looks quite good. And that's the cover. Looks quite sleek. Now I'd say for like $5 standalone and a very nice quality look and feel, this is quite worth it. Right, so I was just saying, like, you know, I have seen very cheap OEM nose hair trimmers out there online. Sometimes if you don't get a more established brand, they won't last. So I don't know how long will this last, but it definitely looks really good. Okay, there's nothing else much to test except like my first look and feel. The motor seems fairly stable and fairly quiet too. And yeah, so this is a first quick look. If you've got any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments below. So my first look, the Shosi C1 nose hair trimmer for about $5 including shipment is a steal. I would recommend this anytime. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next video.